baby's hands. Good. Okay, Lewis, open the bag. Get a candy bean. Can you open it? You got it. You'll get the train. And you'll get some candy eating most of those jelly beans. You got it. Yay, Lewis! Eating them all before Easter. Which color are you gonna get? Which color are you gonna get? Looks like there's red and pink and orange. Which one you want? Uh-oh. You got it? It's a big bag, huh? You get red? Good choice. Ready for the train? You want the train? Lewis, do this. Yeah, okay, here you go.